I'm Abby at Kippard's Trailer Sales here in Olympia, Washington to show you this Iron Eagle 7x18, 10,000 pound rated flatbed. This trailer is all tube steel. All the wiring is enclosed in the frame, which is really nice, keeps it nice and protected. It has a flip away jack, so it's always out of your way. You have a nice rub or bump rail. You have stake pockets all the way around on this trailer. Very nice heavy duty diamond plated fenders with fender steps. A nice treated decking for longevity. Back here you have your stabilizers for loading, which makes it really nice when loading heavy equipment. It won't pop up the front end of the trailer or the back end of the truck. There's also ramps that slide in underneath this trailer, so you can either rear load or side load. All of your lights are enclosed. A very nice clean line look. This trailer is a 7x18, 10,000 pound rated flatbed here at Kippard's Trailer Sales in Olympia, Washington.